Today's chief guest and a exporter who's bringing foreign currency to this country. That is also important. We should have more foreign currency, and therefore a very important person today who has joined us, Shri Naveen Chandra Mehta, a very senior person, chairman of a very important bank, who has addressed you and who has given you the bank's perspective, which otherwise it is difficult to meet such a person. You are fortunate that he is with us today, Mr. Solomon Raj. Dr. Shivare, I am here because he called me yesterday. Otherwise, I would not have come here because of my back ache. But since he called me yesterday, I am here. The Management Council member of University of Mumbai, Shri Sanjay Shete, the Dean of Commerce Faculty, Shri Dr. Madhu Nair, and the person who's running this course, Mr. Rahul Desai, the principal of this college, Madam Madlani, Minu Madlani, the invitees, teachers, a Chinese director of Confucius Institute in University of Mumbai, who's present here, and my dearest young student friends. I am happy to do two things at a time. One is inaugurate the launch of the certificate programs in this field. Various certificate programs which are being launched in this institute. At the same time, I am here to congratulate all the students, those who have completed the program and they are being felicitated here today. Friends, you are fortunate to be in a business which is growing every day. And you are fortunate to have a Chinese teacher to teach Chinese. You are not going to get an Indian teacher to teach Chinese, but you are getting a Chinese teacher to teach Chinese. What are the advantages? The advantages are you are not just learning the language, but you are also learning the culture and you are also learning the development of China and you are also learning what is happening in China. That is the advantage. Can you take advantage of being a Chinese teacher who's teaching you Chinese? The answer is yes. How can you take the advantage? Don't just ask questions related to the language, but also interact with him and understand the Chinese culture and also understand the Chinese business and also understand the politics which is there in China, the political system. The moment you understand all these things, and if you go there and do a job in China, you will be better employee than any other employee because you will know much more than any other person who just know diamond cutting and diamond polishing and the language, but you will know much more than that And if you know much more than that, then only you will be able to communicate with people. And if you are able to communicate with people, then you will be able to do good business. At the same time, you also need to teach him the culture of this country. It is not just learning from one side, but it is learning from both the sides. You learn something from him, you also teach him something. But that will happen only through interaction about other subjects also. Friends, you are fortunate that you are the first batch. This is the first batch. Earlier, the University of Mumbai did not give recognition, and therefore you are the first batch. So you are fortunate that you could get a recognition from University of Mumbai. But in University of Mumbai, it takes lot of time because we work in a structure. And to break that structure is very, very difficult. It is like Ambuja cement. Not Ambuja cement, I don't know, but advertisement, whatever they show. Yeah. भैया ये दीवार टूटती क्यों नहीं है? बट स्टिल अंबुजा सीमेंट की टूटेगी या नहीं टूटेगी पता नहीं, लेकिन हमारी तो टूट गई और हमने आपको रिकॉग्निशन दे दिया. अब ये दीवार तोड़ने में यहाँ बैठे हुए कुछ लोगों का हाथ भी है. डॉक्टर मधु नायर है, डॉक्टर शेटे है, डॉक्टर शिवारे सर है. ये सारे लोगों ने ये दीवार को तोड़ने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प की है, बहुत ज़्यादा मददगार रहे हैं. लेकिन मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं कि गए 5 सालों में बहुत बार ये दीवार टूटी है और हमने करीब करीब 120 अलग अलग प्रकार के शिक्षा क्रम, जिसे हम कहते हैं प्रोग्राम, वो हमने शुरू किए हैं. और 120 ये नंबर बहुत छोटा नहीं है, 120 नंबर ये बहुत बड़ा है. और अलग अलग क्षेत्र में जाके हमने ये कार्यक्रम शुरू किए हैं. 120 नए प्रोग्राम्स हमने शुरू किए हैं. We have traveled beyond the disciplines and we have started some interdisciplinary programs and some multidisciplinary program which the whole world is talking about. We have started the programs which are employable programs. In transport also, I think you are going to launch the program this year. In tourism also, and in fact we are going to launch a program on the renewable energy. Last year we launched programs in environment. We launched program in human science where you are taught anthropology, you are taught biology, and you are taught business also. See, this is a multidisciplinary program called as BSc and BA Human Science. So like this we have started 120 programs. And children are studying through all these programs. But more than that, what do you need? What the people are talking in the entire world is about ethics and values. Whichever field you choose a field of your passion. Whatever you like, you choose that field. Don't listen to anybody. Every field is good. Whatever field you choose. But choose a field of your passion. After choosing a field of your passion, you should remember values and ethics. If you do not have values and ethics, then you will not be able to succeed in your life and you will not be able to live your life happily. So if you need a satisfactory and happy life, then these two things are very, very important with the skills which you learn for your livelihood. This is very, very important. If you remember this, you will never face a problem in your life to get satisfaction. Satisfaction is very, very important. Number two, don't forget your country where you are living. You may go to China, you may go to America, you may go to UK, anywhere, but you must remember your country. The third thing which you should remember is your parents. The fourth thing which you should remember is your institution which has given you an education. If you remember these four things, nobody can stop you from getting the satisfaction, and everybody wants satisfaction in their life. So these are the four things which are coming to my mind now, which one should have. At the same time, I am advising young people today, read a lot. You must read lot of books from various fields. If your mind is multidisciplinary mind, then you will get a success in your life. And for that, you will have to read a lot. You should know at least something of other disciplines. If you know something of other discipline, you will be able to interact with people, because the whole world is diverse and you will be meeting with diverse kind of people. Knowing your discipline is must. But more than that, you should also know other disciplines, and to know other disciplines, you will have to read various books. I was reading an interview of one lady who was into a business of communication and networking. She used to interact with any group, engineers, doctors, defense people, philosophers, any field. So the press reporter asked her, how can you interact with everybody, every group so easily? She said, I read 250 books in a year, and therefore I know something of other disciplines, and therefore I can interact with anybody, any group, so that you get the knowledge from other disciplines. So my advice to all of you is, all young people, is to read a lot. Though Naveen Chandra Bhai is polishing diamonds, this institute is polishing you, because you are also diamonds. You are not less than any diamond. A diamond which Naveen Chandra Bhai is selling, one can purchase if you have money. But you cannot be purchased. Your value is infinite. And this institute is trying to polish these diamonds. My best wishes to all of you, and my best wish to the institute. Thank you. Thank you very much.